Hi viewers, welcome you all. This is very short session related to judicial system. In today's session we learn about the public court or Lok Adalat or People's Court. Now let us begin. In India, the legal procedure is time consuming and expensive. As an alternative, the government has set up other forms of legal institutions which function faster and they are less expensive. Those institutions are come into existence in 1985. One of them is a Lok Adalat. It look up the cases from the parties who mutually agrees to settle the cases. Here we see that in our India, we see that the legal procedures are more time consuming and expensive. It take money and time also. As an alternative, instead of those, we see that our government has set up the other forms of legal institutions. Other than those, our government has formed the other legal institutions which function faster or less expensive, which are conducted very easily and less expensive. Those institutions are come into existence in the year 1985. One of them are Lok Adalat also. It take up the cases from parties to the mutually agreed to settle the cases here. Now let us move on. The Lok Adalat are established only in some states like Gujarat, New Delhi, Karnataka and few others. This Lok Adalat have been function in some particular areas like Gujarat, New Delhi, Karnataka and a few other areas are there. Some judges of the Supreme Court, social workers and young law graduates are founding members of those courts. Here we see that some judges of the Supreme Court and social workers and young law graduates who are recently completed their education in the law, they are the founding members of these courts. The cases which have not yet been disposed of by the other courts or the High Court, it can be settled by the Lok Adalat. It has the three features. Here we see that in these cases did not have been disposed in the area of courts and other high courts. They are settled down by the Lok Adalat. Here are some features are there. Those are it lays a stress on the compromise. Second one is it is fast and cheap. Third one is it reduces the judicial burden on other courts. Those are all the functions of a Lok Adalat. Now let us move on. Lok Adalat take up the cases related to the violence, accident, land possession, banking, marriage and alimony, labor problems, etc. This court work for the land possession, banking, marriage, alimony and labor problems, etc. they are faces. This court are they established by either in district law authority or the taluk law authority. The two mediator will be present here. Here we see that this court have been established either in the district law authority or in the taluk law authority and two mediator will be present there. The judgment is given by the Lok Adalat are final and binding on both the parties and appeal cannot be filed against them. The judgment enjoy the same respect that judgment of a civil court do. Here we see that the judgment was given by Lok Adalat is a final judgment to binding on the both parties. Those judgment are equal or get same respect to the judgment of a civil court do. Those are all about the Lok Adalat. If you have any queries regarding this, comment below. Thank you for watching this.